Very good evening, students. Balancing chemical equation. This is the last topic of this chapter. I've explained you about the chemical equation yesterday. This is your chemical equation. Two reactant combine to give product. Okay? Two reactant, for example, carbon plus oxygen gives a new product, carbon dioxide. This is your chemical equation. So after doing this chemical equation, we have to check whether the equation is balanced or not. Balanced here means both the sides, on the left side and this right side, both the sides, number of atoms present in the element should be same. For example, this is your balanced equation. How can we say? See, this is the left side and this is your right side. In the left side, carbon atom present is 1. Here carbon atom present is 1. Oxygen left side में is 2. And on the right side also oxygen is 2. So this is your balanced equation. Means in the both side the number of atom is same. Now this equation, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. This is not your balanced equation. Why? Because on the left side there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms, but on the right side there is only 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. So we have to balance this equation. A few things we have to keep in mind before knowing how to balance the equation. Firstly, these subscript, these are the subscript, this 2, these are the subscript. These subscript indicates the number of atoms present in a element. Okay, these subscript never change. We will never change this subscript while balancing the equation. We can only add the coefficients. Okay, we can only add the coefficient, means we can add the numbers in front. Just take the example of this equation, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Now how will we balance this equation? See, we will first write LHS and RHS. We are comparing both these sides, whether the atoms of each element is same or not. If it is not same, then we have to make it. Hydrogen, first we will write all the elements present in each side, hydrogen and oxygen. So we will write hydrogen and oxygen. This side also hydrogen and oxygen. Now count the number of atoms present. This side we are having hydrogen, 2 atoms. Okay, then we will write 2 in front of hydrogen. How many atoms of oxygen? 2. So we will write 2 here also. Now on the right side, 2 hydrogen atom is present. So we will write 2 in front. And only 1 oxygen atom is present. So we will write 1. Now see, left side 2 hydrogen, right side 2 hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen is balanced, but oxygen is not balanced because this side 2 oxygen atom is present and this side only 1. So we have to make it balanced. How we will do? We will add the coefficient in front. So this side 2, so we will add 2 in front of this. Okay, this compound. Now we are having 2 oxygen. Okay, now we are having 2 oxygen, but on this but what has happened? Number of hydrogen atom has increased. By putting coefficient in front, this will multiply with this hydrogen also. Now we are having 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen atoms on the right side. Now we have to balance this hydrogen also. So what we will do? If we will add 2 in front of this hydrogen, this will become 2 into 2, 4. Okay, now we are having 4 hydrogen atom both the sides and 2 oxygen atom both the side. Now this equation is balanced. Like this we can balance any equation. Let us take one more example. Carbon plus oxygen gives, okay, this is here. One more example we are doing. Now we will compare both the sides by writing LHS and RHS, left side and right side. Two elements are given, carbon and oxygen. This side also. Okay. Now how many carbon atom is present on left side? 1. So we will write 1. And oxygen 2. So we will write 2. Right side we are having 2 carbon atoms and 2 into 2 4 oxygen atoms. So this equation is not balanced because left side we are having 1 carbon atom, right side 2. Oxygen we are having 2 here and 4 here. So we have to make it balanced. First we will balance the carbon. This side 2 carbon are there, so we will put 2 here. Now carbon is balanced. Now we have to balance the, if we talk about oxygen, left side we are having 2 and right side 4. So we will add 2 in front, 2 into 2 4. Now both the side compare, 2 this side, 2 carbon this side, 4 oxygen this side and 4 right side. So this equation is also now balanced. Okay, thank you.